The Weather Xtreme video, the afternoon edition for Wednesday, the 21st of October. I'm James Spann. We stay dry through at least Friday. The weekend beginning to look mostly dry as well. And tropical mischief over in the Pacific. Let's go in there and take a look at things. A lot of things to talk about despite the calm weather. Big upper low near Phoenix, Arizona today. And around here, a 588 ridge building in. Temperatures this afternoon mostly mid to upper 70s. We'll expect low 80s in most spots tomorrow. And some spots could see mid-80s by Friday. To the west, we have flash flood watches in effect for much of West Texas, parts of Oklahoma, New Mexico, and also a severe thunderstorm watch for parts of southern New Mexico as well. In that region, there is the standard slight risk of severe weather for parts of West Texas and New Mexico in advance of the upper low that's near Phoenix. Then tomorrow, a marginal severe weather risk over West Texas. And, of course, all the time we're quiet. And this is the rain for the next 5 days, valid through Monday morning. The really big rains are coming up through Texas with the trough lifting out of the southwest, tropical moisture coming in from the Pacific. Here, I don't know if it rains at all. It might be the middle of next week before rain comes back, as you'll see. In the tropics, the Atlantic basin very quiet, but over in the eastern Pacific, we have Tropical Storm Patricia with winds of 40 miles an hour. This thing is expected to become a hurricane and then curving up into the coast of Mexico during the day Friday as a Category 1 hurricane. And then weakening, and some of the moisture from this could feed up into Texas, perhaps enhancing a flood threat there over the weekend, as you'll see. Let's talk about it. Here's the GFS, the 12Z run, valid tomorrow at 1 o'clock. The trough beginning to open up and lift out of the southwest. A 588 ridge here. So for us, we're warm and dry. High should be at or just over 80 with a sunny sky. Rains becoming widespread for Texas and parts of Oklahoma. This is Friday. Again, we're dry and warm. Some spots maybe getting mid-80s Friday. Very warm for mid to late October. Got a surface low that is to the west of Minneapolis-St. Paul with a trailing front. And here's Saturday as the weekend begins. That front is lined up from Indianapolis down to Childress, Texas. And we've got moisture from Patricia coming up into Texas. And again, that could set the stage for a big rain event there. Rain, a very high possibility for the Auburn-Arkansas game in Fayetteville Saturday afternoon. Take the rain gear. But around here, we look to be warm and dry with highs in the low 80s, the sky partly sunny. Sunday beginning to look good now. This, is race weekend at Talladega. That's the big race. And the GFS looking dry. And interesting to note, it looks like it's trying to regenerate Tropical Storm Patricia from the Pacific over in the Gulf. It's got this surface low on the middle Texas coast, but again, the GFS looking dry. We'll check the European. It looks dry. So at the moment, things are looking pretty good for the big race Sunday at Talladega. I'm not ready to say there's no chance of rain, but the chance of rain looking relatively small. And the high Sunday would be in the upper 70s with a mixture of clouds and sunshine, showers just west and north. We'll go to Monday. The tropical low is near Galveston and Houston, and rain showers beginning to move in from the west. And this is Tuesday. A deep surface low is over the high plains. The Gulf is wide open. That suggests a good chance of showers. And this is Wednesday of next week, a week from today. Big trough in the northern plain states, a very deep surface low that's over upper Michigan with the front coming through. So it looks like we'll have a chance of rain for the first half of next week, each day, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and beyond that, the weather will likely turn noticeably cooler. This is the end of the forecast. Halloween, Saturday, October 31st. Another big trough in the southwest. And look at that. If that's right, that'll be the first big snow of the season for places like Denver and much of Colorado, the mountains of New Mexico, with more rain for Texas and Oklahoma. Temperatures for the next 15 days. Low 80s coming in here in coming days, but noticeably cooler by the latter part of next week. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes in the blog. The next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. If you can't catch us this evening on the live stream of the television side, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.